Howdy y'all, this is
Jess ug uban ko as I travel 40 hours across 13 time zones, United States of America. But this time, this is a very special summer trip kay I will be visiting my family there. But before traveling to the United States, daghan kay sila habilin sa kuha nga dalaon ako dito na mga butang na na-miss nila sa Philippines. Number one dira is pancit canton, mga haplas, mga tambal, ganahan magutag mga pasalubong, di ba, as Filipino culture. So since it's summer all over the world, murag gidawat na lang nako na mahal jud ang mga tickets all around kay ting bakasyon yun. So I decided to try Emirates Airlines for the first time since murag no choice na ko, mahal na gid tanan ang mga tickets going everywhere karon na season. And specifically, gusto na ako makasakay og A380 na airplane, ang pinakadako na passenger airline na double-decker, and Emirates is the biggest operator ani na airplane. So that's why murag dako gid kay chance na makasakay ko ani if I will book Emirates Airlines. So when I book the Emirates airline, nakita na ko that Singapore to Dubai flies A380. And since there is a Davao na may scoot, Davao to Singapore, and then I will fly Emirates Singapore to Dubai, and then Dubai to Dallas. So yeah, final na ang plan. Let's go. So the flight paadto sa Singapore is via Scoot, 3 hours. And okay na gyud ang Scoot for me. Okay man ilang service, ilang airplane, ilang seat, okay po, dili kayo goot. So when arriving to Singapore, I really can say na wala gyud makabit ani na airport. It's very beautiful, and if I will have a very long layover, which I will be spending 11 hours here at the airport. Singapore is my top choice for a layover. Kay daghan kayo pwede mabuhat dire. Nagkaon ko Malaysian food diri sa ilang airport lang. Makita nimo mga world-class tourist spot like the Jewel, pati ang Rain Vortex diri, which is the biggest in the world. And naasad sila hotel sa sulod lang sa airport, which is hourly ang rate niya. Sulit kayo since I got to take shower as well and take a nap. Since I have a BPI credit card na naakoy priority pass, gwapo pud kaayo ang ilang mga airline lounges dere. Nindot kaayo, gwapo ang selection sa food, and gwapo mag-plane spotting dere. And after 11 hours, which was really a vacation itself and an adventure, 9 p.m., it's time to board my flight of an A380 from Singapore to Dubai. And pagsulod pa lang sa cabin,